Welcome home to 14707 Spring Lake Drive, located in the community of Lakewood Forest. Let's take a look. This is a newly updated, fully renovated home, and nothing in this house is older than 3 years old. Walls were knocked out to make this a fully open concept home. And this kitchen was thoughtfully designed with every amenity you can think of. They're all custom cabinets with deep drawers, a huge island with granite countertops and a breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances that include a smart refrigerator, a Thor range, and a pot filler. Your upgrades continue into your spacious primary and a huge upgraded ensuite. Upstairs, you have 3 additional bedrooms and a private game room. And of course, the renovations continue outside. They've added extensive covered entertaining areas surrounding the pool, including an outdoor kitchen. This move-in ready home is zoned to Cy-Fair ISD. If you're interested in a private tour, contact me today.